Alright, here at CJ's Cards, we're opening up a couple of packs. I'll do 5, ZBuddy will do 5. Starting out with 2009 Upper Deck Series 1. We're looking for anything good. Max Scherzer, Jeff Keppinger, James Parr rookie card, and Johan Santana Star Quest. That's super rare, so that's a pretty good one. Chris Lambert rookie, Jimmy Rollins, Houston Street, and Carl Crawford. Next, we have a couple packs of Topps 2007 baseball. And Freddie Gonzalez, Kyle Loesch, Mickey Mantle, home run number 400. And opening day for the Dodgers at the Brewers, AJ Burnett and Shane Victorino. Gavin Floyd, Brian Lawrence, Jose Guillen, Juan Uribe, Shane Victorino, and A-Rod. And Eric Milton, Derek Lee, Miguel Olivo, and Tomo Oka, parallel 2007, so that's good, we got it numbered. And Christian Guzman, David DeJesus. And last, 2007 Topps football. And Mario Williams, Anthony Thomas, Brett Favre, Flight to 420. Checklist, Elvis Dumerville, Desmond Clark, and Lamar Woodley rookie card. That's a pretty nice one. Now hand it over to ZBuddy. It's got the same 5 packs.
Okay, first, Gavin Floyd, Bronson Arroyo, Randy Wolf, Yankee Legacy of Mariano Rivera, Game 681. Team Checklist, Jack Hust on the cover, Ryan Braun, Michael Young, and Brandon Looper. Jeff Cirillo, Twins, Julio Franco, Joe DiMaggio, hit streak, game 51, not numbered, Warren Spahn, and Mariano Rivera. Miguel Cairo. The Cubs, Chris Young, Alex Rodriguez, and Jason Giambi combo. Barry Zito trading places, and AJ Burnett. Then we got a Zach Segovia rookie card, Hector Jimenez rookie card, Kansas City Royals, Ben Zobrist, and classic combos, Jose Reyes and Carlos Beltran. And a Chris Young.
Alright, last pack. Looking for any gold inserts, anything else?
Aaron Kapman, Antonio Pierce, Brett Favre, career passing touchdown, 116. Pro Bowl of Marvin Harrison, Eric Moulds, and rookie card of David Iron.
Alright, so we did get the 1 gold parallel, a lot of base cards, so that's good. Thanks for watching.